everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to do hashtag Tassel Tuesday. Tassel Tuesday is an open collaboration hosted by Creating with Jovi, and you can jump in and you can jump out, and you don't have to do it every Tuesday. You can do it, whenever every Tuesday or every other Tuesday or once a month. It's totally up to you. As long as you put hashtag Tassel Tuesday and put her name in the title at Creating with Jovi, so she can be tagged, and then she can come over and see your video and put your channel in her description box for the tassel. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to make a tassel. My husband set me up a little room in the back, a little table that I'm able to film without any noises, so hopefully this will be a little better. The lighting is a little horrid, so I will eventually get that worked out as well. For the meantime, this is the way it has to be. So I made this tassel out of tulle. The lighting does not do it justice. I put the donut on here and these dangles on here, one with the letter, and then these beads and the charm and the donut came out of that Beadcraft Babe kit that I got, and then I just glued a bail on it and hung it here. This white yarn came from a package I got, I believe, from Jovi, and so I made a tulle tassel inspired by my nails. Like I said, the lighting is really bad, so I apologize. And I put a lobster clasp that I have, and I will get a picture of it. And like I said, these beads and this donut came out of the collection I purchased from Beadcraft Babe, because I want to do something with my nails to inspire me. And it's pink and yellow tulle, but it looks kind of orange in here. So once again, I apologize. I'm hoping to get a decent picture somewhere. So I'll have a picture at the end of this video for you guys. So there we go. And then I put a book ring up here so it can hang. Anyway, I hope you like my tassel for Tassel Tuesday. Go check out Jovi's channel, and she'll have all of the people in her description box. I'm going to get off here so I can get this loaded up for you guys. There will be a picture of it at the end so you guys can see it a little better. So I hope you guys like my tassel. Alright everyone, please take care of yourselves, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.